CoolSculpting by Zeltiq is an amazing non-surgical technique which basically freezes your fat. The theory behind CoolSculpting is it utilizes what's called the principle of popsicle paniculitis, meaning that it freezes your fat. They observed small children who were eating popsicles, and over a period of time, while they were eating the popsicle, the buccal mucosa, which is the fat pocket inside their mouth, got frozen and temporarily was diminished. So they realized based on those principles that actually fat could be frozen. So they've adapted that technology into something that can permanently freeze your fat. The best patients are patients who are physically fit. It is not a weight loss device. It is designed for patients who've been exercising and dieting, but they have a bulge either in their abdomen, their love handles, their buttocks, that they can't seem to get rid of. That's the perfect patient for Zeltiq. You come into the office and you tell me which area you're unhappy with, either the abdomen, the thighs, the buttocks, the love handles, and we mark and measure those areas. We then fit the adapter to that given area, and you'll feel a suction when the adapter is applied to your skin. The first few moments, 4 or 5 minutes, you'll feel some tugging, you'll feel sort of the suction of the machine. It'll feel a tiny bit uncomfortable, but then within 5 or 6 minutes, you're completely frozen in that area. You won't feel anything. Most patients bring their iPad, bring their work, text, call people on the phone. You can do whatever you want during that hour. If you're doing one area, say the abdomen, you'll be here for 1 hour. But if you're doing the flanks, which is 2 sides, or you're doing your buttocks, which is 2 sides, you'll need 2 hours. So traditionally, I tell patients to come for 1.5 hours for a given area so that we can mark them. We take before and after photographs and make sure that they're massaged for at least 5 minutes after the procedure. And then you can resume normal activity. If you go to the gym every day, you can go back to the gym the same day. Zeltiq is amazing in the sense that it works on everyone. It will freeze the fat in a given area by 20%. It takes about 3 to 4 months to see that area diminish. So it's not a weight loss device, but what patients normally note is that their pant size is decreased, maybe by a size or 2 sizes, depending on, the inch or 2 that you lost from that 20% of the fat. I have so many patients who've been so happy with the one procedure that they've come back 3 or 4 months later to do not only a second area, but sometimes to repeat that same area because they want even more definition, because if they do it twice, they'll get 40% of that fat frozen in a given area, so they have remarkable results. So I know that patients really love it because they come back to do another area or they've sent their friends to get it done.